Let's see the second problem, children. Same exercise. So minus 2 whole to the power of 7. So now see the difference between the first problem and the second problem. Don't get the confusion. In the first problem, the power is the negative. On that time, we have to apply the 1 by that particular given problem. So here the base is the negative. If base is negative, we cannot write 1 by that particular problem. So base part negative, exponential positive means odd number means we have to write the result part negative. If it is an even number, for example like this is there to the power of 8, we have to write the result part positive. If it is a 9 odd number again, so result we have to keep the negative. So 7 is the odd number, base is the negative is that, so result is negative. We have to remember that. So minus 2 we can split it as 7 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2 into 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Let product it. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64, 64 to the 128. Minus 128. That is the important. The symbol is important. The power is odd. The result is negative. If it is a base, negative. If it is an even number, the result is the positive value. So remember that one, children. Let's see the third problem. So 3 by 4 whole to the power of 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 4. Here that the power is negative. So we have to write that this fraction as a reverse. 4 by 3 whole to the power of 4. So the reason means we have to write the what is the suitable identity. A by B whole to the power of minus m. This one we can write it as B by A whole to the power of m. So like this. Now 4 to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 4. So here also formula A by B whole to the power of m. We can write it as A to the power of m by B to the power of m. Now this we can split it as third one 4 to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 4. 4 into 4 we have to product with the 4 times. Next 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Next product it. So here product it and write the result here, children. Next this one take as a homework, children. Let's see that fourth one. Minus 3 whole to the power of minus 4. Minus 3 whole to the power of minus 4. Here the base negative is there, power also negative is there. First of all, power is negative. We have to write that 1 by that particular problem. So minus 3 whole to the power of 4. So now, so reason means formula a to the power of minus m equal to 1 by a to the power of m. This is the suitable identity. Now minus 3. So 4 times product it. Minus 3 into minus 3. So let product. So 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. So this is the even number. So the result is positive. Plus 81. 1 by 81 is the answer for the fourth one, children. And this is the first Roman. Let's see the second Roman. Second Roman also simplify the following problems. Simplification. By using the identity, we have to simplify the given problems. The first one. 1 by 2 whole to the power of 4. 1 by 2 whole to the power of 4 into 1 by 2 whole to the power of 5 into 1 by 2 whole to the power of 6. Here that the bracket term is same. So we can compare this one a to the power of m into a to the power of n into a to the power of p. Like that 3 terms are there. So we can apply the identity a to the power of m plus n plus p. See the a to the power of m into a to the power of n into, we can take the another variable a to the power of p. So a to the power of m plus n plus p. Next, now simplify this one. 1 by 2, add the powers 4 plus 5 plus 6. 1 by 2 into 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 5 15. 1 by 2 whole to the power of 15. Thus this is the answer for the first one syllabus. And second one, see the second one children. 4 to the power of 4 into 5 by 4 whole to the power of 4. So this is the second one, take as a homework children. And third one, this is the third one, second one take as a homework. So second problem, see the second problem. What is the second problem? Minus 2 whole to the power of 7 into minus 2 whole to the power of 3 into minus 2 whole to the power of 4. Now same like this. What is given here, the base I applied 1 by 2, here the base we have to take the minus 2 whole to the power, add these powers. 7 plus 3 plus 4 will get the 14 as a power. Minus 2 whole to the power of 14 is the answer. So now let's see this one. Third one, 4 to the power of 4 into, now this one apply a by b whole to the power of m, a to the power of m by b to the power of m. So 5 to the power of 4 by 4 to the power of 4. The law is a by b whole to the power of m, that is a to the power of m by b to the power of m. Now here that observe this one, numerator 4 to the power of 4, denominator 4 to the power of 4, get it cancelled. The remaining one 5 to the power of 4. 5 to the power of 4 means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So here 5 5s are 25. Again these two 5s product it. 5 5s are 25. So 25 into 25 is 625. This is the answer for the third one children. Fourth one take as a homework children. The fourth problem is 5 to the power of minus 4. 5 to the power of minus 4 by 5 to the power of minus 6. 5 to the power of minus 6 into 5 cube. So this is the take as a homework children. So we completed the second Roman. So I hope student you understood this topic. Let's take the homework children. So everyone should learn the laws. Without the laws we cannot solve these problems.